Abdul Rahman ibn Awf radiallahu anhu was one of the 10 champions promised paradise by Prophet Muhammad SAW. He was among the earliest converts to Islam, accepting Islam through Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu. He belonged to the Quraysh tribe of Makkah. He was a close friend and supporter of Prophet Muhammad SAW. He migrated to Abyssinia and later to Medina Hijrah. In Medina, he became very successful in business and was known for his honesty and generosity. He donated large amounts of wealth for Islam, especially during battles. He participated in many major battles, including Badr, Uhud, and Tabuk. He was known for his kindness to the poor and widows. He died in 652 CE, 32 AH, and was buried in Jannat al-Baqi, Medina. Abdul Ayub Ansari, real name Khalid ibn Zayyub, from Medina, early Muslim, hosted the Prophet ﷺ in his home after Hijrah, loved the Prophet ﷺ deeply, fought in many Islamic battles, known for kindness and faith, took part in spreading Islam, died in Constantinople, Istanbul, buried near Istanbul's wall. Ayub al-Ansari, daughter of Abu Bakr radiallahu anha, wife of Prophet ﷺ, called mother of the believers, very wise and intelligent, learned many things from the Prophet ﷺ, narrated over 2000 hadiths, taught many companies about Islam, known for strong memory, lived in Medina, buried in Jannat al-Baqi. Fatima bin Muhammad, daughter of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, mother Khadija radiallahu anha, loved deeply by the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, married Ali ibn Abu Talib radiallahu anha, mother of Hassan and Hussein radiallahu anha, lived a simple life, very pious and kind, called Fatima al-Zahra, the shining one, buried in Medina. Sa'd ibn Abi Waqqas, among the first to accept Islam from the Quraysh tribe, close champion of Prophet ﷺ, brave fighter in many battles, first to shoot an arrow for Islam, commander in the Battle of Qadisiyah, had defeated the Persian Empire, one of the promised paradise, known for courage and faith, died in Medina. Muhammad ibn Jabbar from Medina Ansar accepted Islam young, learned the Quran deeply, very wise and smart. Prophet ﷺ said best in knowledge halal and haram, sent as a teacher to Yemen, spread Islam and knowledge, known for good manners, loved by the Prophet ﷺ, died in Syria. Abu Dujana, real name Simak ibn Karasha from Medina, brave Muslim warrior, fought in the Battle of Uhud, wore a red headband in battle. Prophet ﷺ gave him his sword, defend the Prophet ﷺ bravely, known for strength and courage, always loyal to Islam, died as a martyr. Abu Musa al-Ashari, real name Abdullah ibn Qais from Yemen, accepted Islam in Makkah, beautiful voice in Quranic citation, Prophet ﷺ praised his decided brave and wise companion, served as a governor of Basra and Kufa, narrated many hadiths, now for justice and fairness, died in Kufa. Hassan ibn Thabit from Medina, another famous poet of Islam, accepted Islam after Hijrah, called poet of the Prophet, defended Islam with poetry, wrote poems praising the Prophet, used his words instead of weapons, loved the Prophet deeply, living long after the Prophet's time, died in Medina. Maula Ali ibn Abi Talib, real name Ali ibn Abu Talib, cousin and son-in-law of Prophet ﷺ, married Fatima radiallahu anha, first young male to accept Islam, very brave and strong, fought in Medina battles for Islam, known for justice and wisdom, fourth caliph of Islam, loved by all Muslims, martyred in Kufa.